Welcome to 3-day rejuvenating meditation and yoga retreat in LA, USA. Welcome to the Sivananda Yoga Vedanta Center in Los Angeles, where tranquility meets transformation. Nestled in the bustling metropolis of LA, this serene oasis is your perfect getaway for a 3-day rejuvenating meditation and yoga retreat. Now, imagine immersing yourself in daily yoga sessions designed to rejuvenate your body and calm your mind. Our experienced instructors guide you through a variety of practices, from gentle stretches to invigorating flows, ensuring that you find your perfect rhythm. But it doesn't stop there. Each day includes guided meditation sessions that help you connect with your inner self. These moments of stillness allow you to reflect, recharge, and cultivate mindfulness, and are essential tools for navigating life's challenges. At our retreat, we believe in nourishing the body as well as the mind. Enjoy delicious vegetarian meals prepared with fresh, organic ingredients. Each meal is crafted not just to satisfy your hunger, but to fuel your journey toward wellness. Experience the joy of giving back through daily karma yoga, selfless service that fosters a sense of community and connection. Whether you're helping in the kitchen or tending to the gardens, these moments enrich your retreat experience. Your stay includes comfortable accommodations that provide a peaceful sanctuary for rest and reflection. Surrounded by nature, you'll find plenty of quiet spaces to relax, read, or simply enjoy the beauty around you. Join us for this transformative 3-day journey at the Sivananda Yoga Vedanta Center in Los Angeles. Reconnect with yourself, rejuvenate your spirit, and embrace a healthier lifestyle. Spaces are limited, so don't miss out. Book your spot today for an unforgettable experience that will leave you feeling refreshed and inspired. We look forward to welcoming you to our peaceful sanctuary. Your journey toward rejuvenation starts here.